YouTube viewers, I want to play a game. You see, the person you've been idolizing for years is a sex deviant. You see, the prick Romeo, known to most as Nanocrypt, failed No Not November. Now, this is a crime, a very, very bad crime, as it shows he cannot keep his dick in his pants, as XXXTentacion says. He deserves to be punished for this. So, for 5 likes, he will simply die. Just a shot in the head will do it. But for 15 likes, you guys get to choose how he dies. It could be painful, it could be long, whatever you fucking desire. Make your choice wisely, viewers. Let the games begin.
Well, you and Swabby aren't the only puppets in this household anymore. It's time to get into this. Kind of went off track. Yeah, I'm gonna have to be careful with this one. Rope knife, I've cut deep enough. Can't use you anymore. I can just use you for this one area, and that's really about it. Well, time to get Jigsaw out. God, will you get out, man? He does not want to get out of here. He's a pain in the ass. What are these? What are those? That was a pain in the ass to get out. I have a new tripod right there. I should have just used that. But look at this. I'm gonna be honest, this guy kind of looks a little weird. What the hell are those, huh? What are you rocking, Jigsaw? Now, he doesn't look perfect, like the picture that I saw, but he doesn't look bad either, honestly. I think he looks pretty cool for what it is. He does look a little off. It's a little jarring the way he looks, but he doesn't look that bad. You know, I think the people at Trick or Treat Studios saw that I was getting this doll, so they're like, you know what? Have an air freshener for free. Thank you guys. Overall, not quite what I was expecting compared to the picture I saw, but it isn't bad, honestly. I think it, looks pretty good. It's life-size, so that's something to definitely appreciate. But honestly, now that I look at it, it kind of looks like a picture from the very first Saw movie, so this is pretty accurate. If you want a good-looking Jigsaw puppet, prop, whatever you want to call it, definitely pick yourself up one of these. I'm pretty happy with it, to be honest. I'm really excited to film my trailer Slappy 3 scale with him. And I've been wanting a Jigsaw puppet for a while, and I'm glad I finally have one. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to like, subscribe, join the Sims Plus family, and become a sponsor, and share. As sharing really helps the channel, especially this video. I really appreciate all the support. And what the hell are those? But I'm out of here, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace. One